how do we get energy? We get energy from food. Now, how does this car get its energy? Well, it gets energy from petrol. Now, what if I say that both these energies are actually the same? Will you believe me? Well, actually, both these energies are same type of energy. But you must be wondering that we don't drink petrol and neither does the car feed on this food. Then how come both of them are same type of energy? We'll understand. So let's say you go to the market to purchase something. Now, how do you purchase something? You have to pay money, right? Now, if you are purchasing in India, then you will spend rupees, that is our Indian rupees. So, you will use some of these notes. Now, what if you go to the United States of America? Will you use the same notes which you were using in India? Not really. So, in that country, this note will not work. So, what will work? Well, instead of this note, you will have to spend dollars, because dollar is the currency of the United States of America. So, Indian rupees will not be accepted in that country. So, you see, we are still spending money, but its type changed from Indian rupees. Now, you will be spending dollars. So, this is how type of money changes. So, you are still spending money, but the type of money changed. In fact, there are so many different currencies around the world. Different countries have their own currencies. So, when you want to spend money in that country, you will have to spend in the form of that country's currency. So, all these are forms of money, but they are different types. Similarly, energy also has different types. So, all of them are energy, but different types of energy. So, what are these different types of energy? Well, some of the types of energy are sound, heat, electrical, light, and chemical energy. So, all these are different types of energy. So, you see, whether you're talking about sound, light, chemical, heat, or electrical, all these are energy, but different types of energy. Now, when you are tired and you are offered some energy drink or glucose, what happens? You get your energy back and you are able to work. So, what exactly happened here? Well, this energy drink entered your body and your body broke this particular type of food into chemicals, and those chemicals were converted into energy. So, when we have food, we get energy, and this energy from food is basically chemical energy, because food is further broken down into chemicals and those chemicals give us energy. So, when we get energy from chemicals, we call that energy chemical energy. So, energy obtained from food is a form of chemical energy. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, it is true. Energy obtained from food is a form of chemical energy. So, it is true. Now, this dino is driving a car, but suddenly the car stops because there is no fuel in the car. So, the car will not run without fuel, that is without petrol or diesel. So, car needs some form of energy. And what is this energy which is in petrol or diesel? Well, it is chemical energy. So, the car uses the chemical energy from petrol or diesel. Now, what about our toy cars, that is remote controlled cars? Well, they will also run only when you insert batteries in them, isn't it? And what exactly are batteries? Well, batteries also contain chemical energy. So right from the food we eat to the batteries, all provide chemical energy. So we obtain chemical energy from all these things, right? From food to petrol and diesel and even batteries, all provide chemical energy. Now, what about these devices? How do you think these are powered? Well, if you will notice, there is this panel here. Well, this panel powers these lights. What about this calculator? Well, this calculator is powered by this panel here. So, what exactly are these panels? Well, these panels utilize the energy of light, that is light energy. So these devices are powered by light energy, that is light from the sun. So you see, these devices are powered by light energy. So light energy is another form of energy, and the most potent source of light energy is the sun. Now, as you can see, nowadays technology has advanced a lot. So even cars actually run on light energy. So light from sun actually charges these cars, and these cars run on light energy. So light energy nowadays can also be used to run cars. Now, what about cooking? How do we cook? Well, we get heat from gas stoves or induction cooktops. Now these provide heat. So basically we cook using heat energy. So this is another form of energy which we use, that is heat energy for cooking food. But not only cooking food. Apart from induction cooktops, we also use geysers and heaters. Well, even they provide heat energy, and we utilize this heat energy to obtain heat, that is heat ourselves or heat water in the geyser. So heat energy is also used by us. So this is another form of energy, another type of energy which we use, that is heat energy. But how are all these devices powered? Well, you need to plug them in an outlet, right? So only when you plug these things in an electrical outlet, you get energy. So this electrical outlet is also providing some type of energy. Well, that energy is called electrical energy. So the energy which you get from electricity is electrical energy, and electrical energy powers all these different appliances in our homes. Now, what about the guitar? Well, when somebody plays a guitar, that is, they simply fiddle with these strings and you get music out of it. So what exactly is that music? Well, it is sound energy. So when someone plays a guitar, the strings vibrate and generate a sound that reaches us, and this sound is sound energy. So you see, when a person plays a guitar, sound is generated by the vibration of the strings, and that is what we call sound energy. So different types of sound which originate from different types of instruments, or maybe different types of machinery, even when we speak. So all these are sound energy. So some type of energy changes to sound energy and we are able to hear it. So this is another type of energy, which is sound energy. So you see, there are different types of energy. Some of these are electrical energy, sound energy, light energy, chemical energy, and heat energy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.